Once again, the United States has shown its absolute commitment to human rights by doing some of the worst things possible. The United Nations resolution banning the death penalty for homosexuality was recently voted on, where the U.S. opposed it. The U.S. voted to oppose making it illegal to execute people for homosexuality. That's right, that's the kind of human rights champion that the United States is. That's Donald Trump's America. Even though I really have the feeling that this would not have been any different under Obama, to be perfectly honest. Now, a total of 13 countries in the UN Human Rights Council, many of them were African and Middle Eastern, but the U.S. voted against banning the death penalty for homosexuality as well. Now, despite the efforts of the United States and several other very reactionary countries, the resolution passed on Friday anyway, which means it is now illegal under international law because apparently this isn't a common sense thing. Like, this is something the UN has to do. 27 countries voted for the measure to make it illegal. Now, it was brought forward by several countries: Belgium, Benin, Costa Rica, France, Mexico, Moldova, Mongolia, and Switzerland. These are countries who have recently made LGBT rights a center of their political discussion right now. And many people are surprised that the United States even did this. Of course, if the mainstream media bothered to actually report this, I mean, this is one of those things that makes America look bad, where it's generally something that they're just trying to obfuscate or just make sure people don't see. One of the main questions is, what would be the point of doing this? Why would the U.S. vote against something like that, knowing that it's just going to make them look incredibly bad? Well, see, the only rational reason that I can think of, and it has to be a rational reason. Pressure by Saudi Arabia? That's about the only thing I could possibly think of. Because that's like the main U.S. ally that believes in executing people for being homosexual. So that's the only possible reason I can think of. Well, if the U.S. does this for Saudi Arabia, then you can return the favor by voting for us on this issue. Of course, I have no evidence that that's the case, but that seems to be like the only way this vote makes any sense. But again, whether there is no good reason or even a logical reason for doing this, the United States still stands as the only Western so-called democracy that would actually vote in favor of keeping it legal to kill homosexuals. Thank you for watching. If you like this program, then please head over to my Patreon page and set up a monthly donation. It's your donations that keep this program running. Also, if you would like, please rate, comment, subscribe, and share in various social media.